Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. We are going to follow these 4 steps. These are today's kanji, JLPT N5 level. I'm going to share a lot of vocabulary with those kanjis. The meaning, see. On is can. Kun is miru. The meaning is to rest. On is kyu. Kun is yasumu. Radical is nimben. Take a look at the kanji. You have I, nimben, and the tree. The meaning is thread. On is shi. Kun is ito. Word and expression. To see, to watch is miru. To show, miseru. Can see, mieru. The bottom is the mas form. Mimasu, misemasu, miemasu. I'm going to explain each word. Alright, first one, to watch, miru. This is transitive verb, so you take o. 家で映画を見ます。I watch, 見ます。A movie, 映画を at home, 家で。家で映画を見ます。Next, to show, 見せる。This is also transitive verb, so you take o. 財布を見せる。show, 見せる。My wallet, 財布を。財布を見せる。Next, can see, 見える。見える。This is intransitive verb, so you take particle が。ここから富士山が見えます。I can see, 見えます。Mount Fuji, 富士山が from here, ここから。ここから富士山が見えます。Next, appearance, how they look. 外見、外見。When you see the kanji meaning, 外 is outside and 見る、see. So makes sense. Expression, 人は外見で判断できない。People, 人は can't judge. 判断できない。by their appearance, 外見で。人は外見で判断できない。Have a look, visit, tour. You go some kind of facility and then you have a guide. Then guide will show you around. That's 見学。見学。Turn into 訓 reading. 見て学ぶ。So it makes sense. 見学。Example, 友達とビール工場を見学した。I had a look. 見学した。A beer factory. ビール工場を with my friend. 友達と。友達とビール工場を見学した。Next, day off. 休日。休日 turn into 訓 reading 休みの日休みの日 expression 休日に 何をしますか ?What? 何を do you do? しますか ?on your day off. 休日に。休日に何をしますか ?Next, regular holidays. This is for the store or some business. 定休日。定休日。Example, this is the conversation between A and B. A said, お店の定休日はいつですか ?When is いつですか ?The store's regular holiday. お店の定休日。お店の定休日はいつですか ?B said, 定休日は火曜日です。The regular holiday, 定休日は Tuesdays. 火曜日です。Next, knitting wool. 毛糸。毛糸。Expression. 毛糸のマフラーを編む。knitting, 編む。A wool scarf. 毛糸のマフラーを。毛糸のマフラーを編む。The last one. A lead, a clue. 糸口。糸口。Expression. 問題の糸口をつかむ。grab, つかむ。the clue, 糸口を。of the problem, 問題の。問題の糸口をつかむ。You finally found something that will lead you to solve this problem. That's expression. 問題の糸口をつかむ。Step 3. Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. To watch, to see, 何々を見る。To show, 何々を見せる。Can see, 何々が見える。Have a look, tour, 見学。Appearance, 外見。Day off, 休日。Regular holidays, 定休日。Knitting wool, 毛糸。A lead, a clue, 糸口。JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。